Morning. Here we are, nice and early Monday morning. We've got a gutter cleaning job today. Just an easy one. All I want is just the gutters cleaned out of any leaf litter, which is quite easy. And as you can see, it's not really full. Anyway, all good. Tiled roof. Yeah, we'll work it out. Right. Nice spot, right on bushland. A few houses around. As you can see, not too much leaf litter. A little bit of dirt, but that's alright. That's probably the worst I can get because there's trees right here. As we come round, and just a bit of mud, muck, nothing to worry about too much. Yeah, they might have a leak somewhere though, from the looks of that water. Let's go and investigate, shall we? There's a water trail coming from there. A hot water system. I wonder where that goes. Anyway, up there probably. You can see it dripping from out of there. Anyway, we'll do our job. I'm just going to blow everything out. Just going to use our trusty blower. And we'll go from there. Let's get cracking. Nice amount of dirt, which would just be from runoff on the roof when it rains. That leak that the hot water system has. Making all this dirt run off wet, but it's also growing plants, little palms on the roof. If you can see that, little palms and everything, and seeds on the roof. And also got it in the gutter. Look at that. Look at that. Check that out. Check on that. Get a scraper, scrape that out. like to see. Easy blowing dirt. Ready? And then for good measure, run your hand along the inside of the gutter. Actually got all the loose crud. Bit of guttering to do down in that valley. We'll run around the house again, do a last final blowout, and that's that.